Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can delete your account of Crunchyroll. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.crunchyroll.com/nuke. Don't forget to put /nuke at the end of your URL. Then you will be redirected to this kind of page where you need to simply click on the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Then simply type in your Crunchyroll password and simply press on the deactivate now button. After you are done, you will get a warning about how you cannot undo this step. So simply press on OK and your account of Crunchyroll will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Crunchyroll account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.